Hi everybody, this is a video I'm making to show you how to make a clear canopy for your Arrows Hobby Hawk using this clear PET G from moulded in this bottle from a plaster cast. It makes the model look a lot better, and I think they should have done this from the start, but anyway, these are the coaming formers. These will produce the rear section you can see here, and then you wrap it around with depron heated in warm water, hot water, and then when you're happy you just glue it down. I can provide templates for this. The base is made from 6mm foam depron, and the parts inside are made from green foam, which is all hand carved, so you can just let your creative skills run riot on this. The pilot has also been painted in the correct Red Arrows colours, and I've made the inlets above the rear section as well as per the scale machine, and I've added little bits and pieces here just to make it look a bit more in depth and a bit more real. So the next job is to apply the canopy, which is what I shall be doing fairly soon, and then I'll paint over the frames, etc. It should look really good. Stay tuned and watch out for more videos.